Remedies presents What happens when you take a pinch of this powder before bed? Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will inform you 2 ways of using nutmeg for sleep. That is applying topically and ingesting. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Nutmeg has a calming effect when consumed in smaller doses. Various ancient medicinal practices credit it for its sleep-inducing and de-stressing effects. It contains myristicin, a compound that helps to promote sleep. Moreover, it is rich in magnesium, too, that helps to reduce nerve tension. Here's how to use the remedy. For topical use, you will need nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon or less, ghee as required, which is clarified butter. To treat insomnia, simply mix a pinch of nutmeg powder with a little amount of pure ghee, preferably cow's ghee, and rub around the temples before going to bed. It relaxes your mind and helps to get sound sleep. For ingesting, you will need nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon or less, a glass of warm milk. Alternatively, you can take a pinch of nutmeg powder mixing with a glass of warm milk at night for sound sleep. Remember this and don't forget to try this potent natural remedy next time you couldn't fall asleep. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.